Okay, guys, so we're currently in a trade right now. I'm just getting ready to close it out, but I wanted to show you guys this trend line that we saw here on the day. A really nice rejection right there. So I'm just going to close this one out before it comes back totally against me. All right, so $218.75. Now, what did I notice? So I'm coming in here at a perfect time. It doesn't always happen like that. Trading part-time, you're not always going to be at the computer when you need to be. So that obviously benefits full-time traders. What I saw was what I just showed you guys. So right here, we have a descending trend line. This should act as resistance. That's exactly what we saw right here. And this is coming into my favorite time to short the market. At 2 p.m., usually, that's sort of the weaker times to be trading in the market. Usually, you will see some kind of pullback. 1 o'clock, you can see a little bit of some action, but this market in general has just been absolutely nutty, just crazy. So what I did here, I took 2 trades. That last trade you saw me just closing out the last one. As it came back up, I took my profits on the way down, secured those bigger gains, and then as the last contract came back up is when I closed that out. So 218.75. Not bad at all. So there we go, coming back into that trend line. Very bullish. See how it just blew through that area? That's a very, very bullish candlestick there. On the SPY, what I would be looking at and why I have this down here is the double top here at 292.50s. So when I'm trading the micro E-mini, and by the way, this is a perfect example of why I scalp trade. Taking the profit off that move and then, covering it back. Because if I didn't take the profit, and I'll just show you guys here, if we can click show the trades, you can see here where I entered, and I took one off at 3911, another one off at 3909. So at this point, I'm leaving runners, okay? I ended up getting a very good fill down here, just about at the bottom of this pullback. So that was good. And then as we came back up, that runner was not running anymore, still took 4-point profit. So that's how I trade, but that's why I'm a scalper. I like to scalp these technical moves. So it's 210, like I said, usually 2 p.m. to 3 p.m., we will see some weakness. In this market, anything can happen. So just because we used to or do doesn't mean that we're going to continue to. So this is a huge push up here. Now, am I not glad that I took that profit out? Absolutely. So there's probably a Fed speaker talking at this point, I'm assuming, to make the market go like that. Not 100% sure. It must be something like that. So, get in, scalp when you can, take the profits like I do here. I take one off, another, and then I'm not going to let my profit go away. So that was good. We're seeing a huge rally right now as we're going up. And this is where I was trading this morning. So I took 6 contracts, 1 trade here, 2 trades here. This was before I left the home office. At 4 a.m., went long and took my profit off. So these 2 trades here are what led to that 218. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this kind of, not so much a live trade, but my current thinking as I'm doing this. Why I got in right here because of the trend line. The reason, that was the reason. Why? Why did I take my profit out? Well, you're coming into VWAP. You're coming into this clear area here where we've seen some support and resistance. It only made sense to lock in gains. So anyway, hit the thumbs up for the video. Hit the thumbs up if you were trading this insane stock market. So that's it, guys. I'll see you back on the next one. Take care.